Vinci 36. A gravity building. Wow. Oema. Old elevator. Chiudo la porta. Very old L.Da. Awesome. 239 5109. A low cab. Originale. The second elevator of this apartment building. Wow, epic. Sì, ma sono epici. Mine time and upgrade by Oema. Sì, ora è bello. Oh, it has two doors. OMAR. OMAR del Bo 238 5108. Wow, mid rise. This might be epic. This is the highest apartment building in Portici, but I'm not sure. Maintained and upgraded by Oema. I think there are not 12 floors, I'm sorry. This is the floor and a half. This is the half floor. No, 12 floors. But 6. Yeah. I was right. Remake mode. Let's take it down. Let's go down now. I'm very sorry. I did not see. The weight of the building. This particular. So 5.5, 4.5, 3.5, 2.5, 1.5, floor A and ground floor. It's interesting. For 16.5. That's it for this elevator.